Prosecutors are seeking the death penalty in the case of a father accused of stabbing and killing his 6-year-old son. The move in Arapahoe County comes as the death penalty faces an uncertain future here in our state. Denver 7's Marc Stewart is here now. And Marc, the governor's made it clear executions won't happen here, not under his watch.
Indeed, Ann. Tonight, the governor's spokesperson tells me he is not budging. Right now, his decision to stop executions is not changing as long as he's in office.
Riley's awesome.
Home video shows the innocence of Riley Johnson. The young boy was killed in February inside this Arapahoe County apartment. Prosecutors accuse his own father, Brandon, in his murder. They say he stabbed his son after raping his ex-girlfriend. Today, Johnson sat in court as prosecutors made their case for the death penalty and won.
This is Colorado's law. This isn't my law.
District Attorney George Brockler wouldn't get into specifics as to why he pushed for the death penalty, but had this to say to his critics, including the ACLU, who called the death penalty a broken, racially biased system.
At the end of the day, the track we're on now is going to give the public, as represented by 12 members that are picked by both sides, the opportunity to decide what the appropriate sentence here, if anything, is, if we get past the guilt phase.
If a jury finds Johnson guilty and agrees to sentence him to death, it won't happen, at least for now. In 1996, this man, Nathan Dunlap, was sentenced to death after killing 4 people at a Chuck E. Cheese. As his execution date approached, Governor Hickenlooper issued a moratorium, calling the system imperfect.
The governor ultimately is the one who gets to decide whether or not an individual is killed while he's in office.
Governor Hickenlooper's term is up in 2018. District Attorney George Brockler, whose name has been mentioned as a Republican candidate for governor, has sought the death penalty before in the Aurora movie theater shooting. In that case, though, the jury could not agree to a death sentence. I'm Marc Stewart, Denver 7.